Hey, Crazy Will here today. Today we're going to be talking about what it's like to pour gravel in your driveway. I'm going to show you my experience. I'm going to share with you guys today, so stay tuned. Hey, Crazy Will here from Crazy Will's Tech Show. Today, I'm not really showing you too much tech today. I'm going to show you about pouring gravel into your driveway. I'm going to show you the scenario that I have, and I'm a little nervous about it. It's a lot of money. It's about 800 bucks for, let me show you how much stuff that I'm pouring down. So all from here to there, all in front here, and then over there is where the carport is for my wife's car. So roughly, I think it's around 2,173 tons or pounds, or however they measure it. I'll put it down below, but that's how much they're delivering tomorrow. And like I said, it's gonna be around $800 or maybe a little bit more. He said he's gonna help spread it. So before I lose any more daylight out here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a spray can and I'm gonna spray out where I want the stuff to go. So that way he has an outline to work with. So I got a crappy, cheap can of spray paint that I'm gonna outline the driveway in. And it's only going on grass, so it's eventually gonna grow over, and just make sure I don't spray anything on the house. So that's a rough outline of what I want. Mainly, I was worried about this side of the yard. This side of the yard, it doesn't really matter. They can go crazy with putting it down there. I don't care. Really, I was worried about my lawn. On this side, I just want a certain layout. So I spray painted that. Like I said, I'm really nervous about this. I don't know how it's gonna go tomorrow. He said he's gonna help me spread it. I'm gonna film that and see what the process is. Now, you guys might be wondering why you're doing this. Well, the grass grows better on my driveway than it does in my yard. And I'm having a hard time now. This is what it looks like. I'm having puddles. I can't even get to my office. It stops me from doing work sometimes because my shoes will be soaked. Just trying to get from over there, which is the steps over by my house, to here, which we're right next to my garage door. So it's very frustrating, you know, going back and forth. And plus now my wife's not able to park where we normally park up against the house. I needed some gravel. This is gonna be crush and run. I needed it. I needed to kind of level out my yard a little bit and also make it so that my car won't sink down. So we're gonna see how this is gonna go. Whew. I'm here with Lynn Corriher from
Corriher Sand and Stone out of China Grove, North Carolina.
Which they did an excellent job. You guys got to see. The way this man handled the truck was freaking awesome. But yeah, he helped me with my whole setup here. He helped me put it out. So thank you very much. I really appreciate it, man.
We thank you and appreciate you. If we can help you in the future, just let us know.
Oh, you're definitely in my numbers.
Man. Thank you. Appreciate you guys.
Thanks, man.
Thank you now. Appreciate it.
Sweaty as hell, but I'm done. Had to get rid of that big pile that he left underneath my awning. Now I'm gonna pull the car in. I'm excited about that. Let me take you a quick video shot of what we did. Got a couple puddles, but nowhere near what I used to get. So far so good. We'll see how it drives today. Okay, so it's been about a week since we put down the gravel. It's gotten quite hard. Cleaned up really, really nice. I like the fact that it looks more like gravel instead of that crush and run, which it's kind of like a cement mixture from what I understand. And it looks like it's working out really well. My car's not sinking anymore. We have it parked right over here. I had company over last night and they all drove on it and they had no problems. It did get a couple of water spots. I wish they would have delivered a little bit more gravel or rock or crush and run, whatever you want to call it. It actually turned out to be 18.55 tons of gravel or crush and run, as they put it, and we put it down here. It probably should have been closer to 20. Came up short on my driveway, so I didn't get too much there, which was not a big deal. There was quite a bit there. I just kind of wanted it to all match. I know it's not tech, guys, but I've been putting this off for quite some time now, and I just finally bit the bullet and went ahead and spent the money and got this done. That's it for me, guys. If you have any questions, please put them down below. If this video helped you in any way, please like, subscribe, and ring that bell if you'd like to see more of my videos. And remember, you can do anything if you put your mind to it. Later, guys. This isn't a Marvel movie, guys. There's no secret ending, no strategy or something. Just hit like and subscribe and maybe click on one of the videos above. Don't know what to tell you.